रहो कूल, रहो फ्रेश, पियो सोसियो ऑलवेज। जोश की हो जब जरूरत या मौके की हो नजाकत, तो दिल ये बोले पियो सोसियो। पियो 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 पियो
सोसियो, अपना देश अपना ड्रिंक।
I don't know whether you young people must have heard of an ice cream soda flavor. I don't think so. You talk about raspberry, carbonated. I'm not talking about the fruit. These things they used to sell a lot previously. जैसे पहले है ना, previously how soft drinks were sold. एक फिक्कू, मिट्ठू, टिक्कू. मैंने एक फिक्की अपना. Ficky means, like you talk about a soda. Then you talk mithi, they say it's an orange. Tikki, it's like ginger. So I was there at the platform, in the train. There was a Parsi lady. So she was passing so through the window. She's saying the fellow go carrying, soft drink, ting, 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 making a noise and selling soft drinks. So he called that fellow, "Bhai, socio aapne?" ये नटी सोसियो थम्स अप आ છે अरे मुआ सोसियो को सोसियो લઈને આવું ને slowly the taste it developed, like we've got a lot of loyal and dedicated customers.
लेकिन सिलेक्टेड पब्लिक उसको लेती है। हाँ, उसका स्वाद जो है अल्कोहलिक जैसा है, नॉन अल्कोहलिक है लेकिन अल्कोहलिक जैसा ही उसका स्वाद है। आप पी के देखो ना, जाता है इसमें खुलवा देता हूँ, नॉन अल्कोहलिक।
गुजरात में सबसे पहले सूरत में इसका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्टार्ट हुआ है। सूरत की फेमस है सोसियो। इसका टेस्ट सबसे डिफरेंट है, मतलब इसमें जो बोलते हैं ना कि हाइजीनिक है पूरा, वो हिसाब से मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है। मेरा तो डेली होता है, एक बार टेस्ट करके देखो, मतलब लत लग जाती है आपको। बोलते हैं ना कि स्मोकिंग की, ड्रिंकिंग की, वैसे ही मुझे ड्रिंकिंग में ये इसकी लत लग गई है।
Previously we were bottlers for the British drink, Vimto, and when Mahatma Gandhi started the Swadeshi movement, my father, he was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and we stopped the Britain drinks. Father, he was very aggressive that time. बहुत मेहनत की. He's like, at the same time, he was very innovative. We had our own cold drink houses, like we had about 18 cold drink houses in Surat. Then he started selling flavors in. We used to make flavors for soft drinks. He was very good in it. He used to smell something and then he knew what he had to make. He was a good flavorist. अरे previously तो we had बैलगाड़ास में, बलदगाड़ा में माल बेचने जाते थे।
2 से 3 घंटे उनको पैदल ही समझो अपने, वो उस हिसाब से वो सेल करते थे। उनको बिजनेस करना होता था, सुबह 7 बजे निकलते थे, कोई भी आउटलेट के ऊपर 4 से 5 घंटे में पहुंचते थे।
And then we started our own brands. Socio was like the first branded cola in India. There are many people who are known as Socio in Surat. Yeah, I've got 2 friends. One fellow's name is Chocho, and the other fellow, now he's in USA. His name is Kirit. He's also known as Kirit Socio. When we used to ask him, he's saying, "Look, man, I have to have 7 to 8 bottles of Socio daily."
जितना कम बॉडी के अंदर सोडा जाए उतना अच्छा है। एक आध पिए तो ठीक है, लेकिन ओवर हो जाए, खुला नहीं है। कोई थम्स अप पीने आया, मेरे पास थम्स अप नहीं है, मैं पेप्सी उसको बोलूँगा कि भाई पेप्सी, तो वो पेप्सी पी लेगा। एक टाइम पे वो पेप्सी पी लेगा, लेकिन सोच से पीने आया, मैं उसको बोलूँगा भाई सोच से नहीं है, तो वो अपने माइंड डाइवर्ट नहीं करेगा। यूनिक प्रोडक्ट है, कोई उसके जैसा कोई सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक नहीं है।
You talk about the local companies in Gujarat. All of them have copied is what? The socio flavor. They haven't matched it. And everyone, wherever you go, socio आपने, and then they'll open a local another drink and give it to you. Socio itself is the socio flavor.
और जब कोक अपने को थिएटर के अंदर पिक्चर्स दिखने के लिए एक कोक फ्री दिया जाता था उस वक्त, वो प्रोडक्ट उस वक्त चलती थी।
तो सोशियो ये होम ग्रोन प्रोडक्ट है, तो ये मल्टीनेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स के सामने टिकना इतने सालों से, अब 85 ईयर्स, इट्स क्वाइट ए फिट।
मेरा यही आना कि ये रीज़न ये भी है कि यहाँ पे ये मिलता है, बाकी कहीं और जाएंगे तो मतलब वो थम्स अप कोका कोला मिलेगा, लेकिन ये अवेलेबल नहीं रहता।
ऐसा कोई क्वेरी भी नहीं आती, इसका सील भी अच्छा है, पैकिंग भी अच्छा रहता है। 9 रुपीज़ में आता है, 9 रुपये में, 10 रुपीज़ में बेचते हैं। प्रॉफिट के लिए नहीं, कस्टमरों के लिए हम लाते हैं। दूसरी ब्रांड में हमको प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा मिलता है, लेकिन ये जूनी ब्रांड है, अच्छी ब्रांड है, इसके लिए मैं रखता हूँ।
You can take the other products like you have Thumbs Up which have sold off. You have other companies which have sold off like Rogers and many others in Bombay also Dukes. They have sold off to the multinational. We are the only ones.
With just one brand, we are doing about 27% in the market, just one product. The other companies are doing really well also, but it's usually they have 5-6 products on a line and aggressive marketing. Whatever we can, we are doing.
एड्स कंपलसरी चाहिए ही चाहिए, और कंपनी का एक फंडा होता है ना कि भाई कुछ नई तरीके से दिखाए, और सोचिए तो इंडियन प्रोडक्ट है और लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा भी लगता है, इसलिए ये अपना देश अपना ड्रिंक बहुत बढ़िया है।
We've got this new tagline from the couple of years. We say like apna desh, apna drink.
When the multinationals came in and they were pushing their products, so we had to create a niche for ourselves. At least those who are more onto the Indian products and all that, they do accept it with that tagline, saying that this is our product. So the youngsters, the very young people, they prefer the multinational products. So
They have the right people, they have the right money, they have the right production capacities, they have the right way of distribution, everything, but basically it's money which plays a big part. Duke sold off to Pepsi, and Pepsi slowly they are closing that brand down. They stopped the Mangola, very beautiful product. I don't know why they killed that brand. It was doing well. Look, many all opportunists. Okay, you join hands with us, you take a franchise, you invest a lot of money in it. Then what happens? People they forget about branding only. They provide a lot of schemes, they provide a lot of merchandise for the retailers, where we get a setback. The worst thing is to lift these bottles up and stop our bottles from recycling. So the sales go down. With the PET bottles come in now, anyone can, or you can place your product anywhere now. It's not that they don't trouble you in the market, but that's competition. I think we'll have to live up to it. If someone comes to fight with you, you're not just going to sit down.
स्वदेशी वाले कम रह गए, विदेशी वाले ज़्यादा, ऐसा हो गया ना। ये मॉडर्न पर जा तो विदेशी में ज़्यादा रस लेती है ना। वो यंग जनरेशन है, उनको स्वदेशी में कोई इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, ब्रांडेड चाहिए उनको, ब्रांडेड। फिर वो कचरा भी मिला है, ब्रांडेड होना चाहिए बस।
Even after independence,
75% थिंग्स जो है वो देयर आर मल्टीनेशनल्स बिहाइंड दिस प्रोडक्ट्स। तो क्या है कि वी आर स्टिल नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट, ऐसा कह सकते हैं।
From that time, from the independence time and all, we have our flag hoistings on Independence Day and Republic Day. We get all the workers, the staff, all have to report on time that day. We have a flag hoisting, we sing the national anthem. Basically, there has to be a bonding. The demand increased a lot for socio, and then other factories and franchises started coming up. There's a good amount of exports being done to America, UK, Canada, then a little bit going into Australia, New Zealand, UAE, that's Dubai, and slowly the export segment is increasing. This is how we started the western zone. There's Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. This section we are covering. We want to be pan-India by 2016. Means our product should be in India everywhere.
Do you consider Socio a multinational, considering that you...
The people will, it's their decision, not mine. The consumers. But many times, like, I got some friends and all. They call up from America. They call up from UK. When they find a product and they see the product in there, they call up. Hey, boss, I'm so happy when I picked up a whole crate of Socio. It's the availability part. And they love the product.
सबसे अच्छा एक ड्रिंक है सोसियो। अपना देश अपना ड्रिंक है, SOSYO सोसियो। अपना देश अपना ड्रिंक।